Ever felt like your life, your work, your projects are just a chaotic mess of sticky notes and half-remembered tasks? You know, that feeling where you're juggling a million things and you're pretty sure you've dropped at least half of them? Yeah, me too. And in that moment of frantic searching for some semblance of order, someone, somewhere, probably whispered the name Trello. Maybe a colleague, a friend, or even a random YouTube tutorial popped up. But here's the burning question. What is Trello? Is it something you download? Something you visit online? Is it an app? A website? Or some kind of magical organizational fairy that comes and sorts your life for you? Because let's be honest, the digital world can be confusing. We've got apps for everything, websites for everything, and sometimes they overlap in weird and wonderful ways. So, let's peel back the layers and get to the bottom of this. Think of it like this: you're planning a road trip. You need to figure out where you're going, what you're packing, who's coming, and how much it's going to cost. You could scribble it all down on a notepad, but that's going to get messy fast. You could email yourself a list, but that's just going to get lost in your inbox. What you really need is a visual, flexible way to organize all that information. That's where Trello comes in. Imagine a giant whiteboard, but it's digital. And on that whiteboard, you can create lists which are like columns, and within those lists, you can create cards which are like individual tasks or pieces of information. You can move those cards around, assign them to people, add deadlines, attachments, checklists. Basically, everything you need to keep track of your road trip or any other project. Now, let's get back to the core question. Is Trello an app or a website? The answer, as is often the case in the tech world, is both. Trello is fundamentally a web-based application. This means you can access it through your web browser, like Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Edge, by going to Trello.com. You can create an account, log in, and start using all its features directly from your browser. This is the core of Trello. It's designed to be accessible from anywhere with an internet connection. But, recognizing that people often want a more dedicated experience, especially on their mobile devices, Trello also offers apps for both iOS and Android. These apps allow you to access your Trello boards and cards on your smartphone or tablet, even when you're offline. So, if you're out and about and need to check your task list, or add a new item to your shopping list, you can do it easily from your phone. Think of it like this: the website is the main hub, the mothership, if you will. It's where you have access to the full suite of Trello's features. The apps are like smaller, more portable versions of that hub, optimized for mobile devices. They provide a streamlined experience, allowing you to quickly access and manage your tasks on the go. Why does this matter? Well, it gives you flexibility. You can start a project on your computer at work, continue working on it on your tablet during your commute, and then check in on it again from your phone before bed. You're not tied to a specific device or location, but it's not just about accessibility. Trello's interface is designed to be visual and intuitive. You can drag and drop cards, customize the look of your boards, and use power-ups to add extra functionality. For example, you can integrate Trello with other tools like Google Drive, Slack, or Jira, allowing you to streamline your workflow and keep all your information in one place. Let's dive a little deeper into how Trello works. Imagine you're planning a content calendar for your YouTube channel. You can create a board called YouTube Content Calendar. Within that board, you can create lists like ideas, in progress, ready to edit, and published. Then you can create cards for each video idea and move them through the lists as you progress through the production process. Each card can contain a wealth of information. You can add a title, a description, a checklist of tasks, due dates, attachments like scripts or images, and even comments to collaborate with your team. You can also assign cards to specific team members, ensuring everyone knows their responsibilities. But Trello isn't just for content creators. It's used by a wide range of people and organizations, from small businesses to large corporations, from students to project managers, from event planners to software developers. It's incredibly versatile and adaptable to almost any workflow. For example, a software development team might use Trello to manage their sprints, tracking bugs, features, and tasks. A marketing team might use it to plan campaigns, track social media posts, and manage content creation. A student might use it to organize their study schedule, track assignments, and collaborate on group projects. The key to Trello's success lies in its simplicity. It's easy to learn and use, even for people who aren't tech-savvy. You don't need to be a project management expert to get started. Just create a board, add some lists and cards, and start organizing your life. And because it's both a website and an app, you can access it from anywhere, anytime. This makes it ideal for remote teams, freelancers, and anyone who needs to stay organized on the go. Now, some might argue that Trello is too simple, that it lacks the advanced features of more complex project management tools. And that's a fair point. If you're managing a massive, multifaceted project with hundreds of team members, you might need something more robust. But for most people, Trello offers the perfect balance of simplicity and functionality. It's powerful enough to handle complex projects, but easy enough to use for everyday tasks. And let's not forget the community. Trello has a large and active community of users who share tips, tricks, and best practices. You can find templates for almost any type of project, and you can connect with other users to learn how they're using Trello. So, to recap, Trello is a web-based application that's accessible through your browser, and it also offers apps for iOS and Android. This means you can access your Trello boards and cards from anywhere, anytime, on any device. It's a versatile tool that can be used for a wide range of purposes, from managing projects to organizing your personal life. It's easy to learn and use, and it's backed by a strong community. And while there are other project management tools out there, Trello's simplicity and flexibility make it a great choice for most people. The beauty of Trello is that it's infinitely customizable. You can tailor it to fit your specific needs and workflow. And because it's both a website and an app, you can access it from anywhere, anytime. Whether you're planning a road trip, managing a team, or just trying to stay organized, Trello can help you get things done. Ultimately, the best way to understand Trello is to try it out for yourself. Create an account, create a board, and start playing around with the features. You might be surprised at how much it can help you get organized. And remember, it's not just about the tool itself. It's about how you use it. It's about finding a system that works for you and sticking to it. So, the next time you're feeling overwhelmed by a million tasks, remember Trello. It's there to help you bring order to the chaos. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.